Group captain Subhanshu Shukla is all set to travel to Sky. He has completed his dream and he is now on the way to achieve something which has probably never achieved by any Indian, because he is the first Indian to visit International Space Center. I'm in Lucknow. I'm sitting with Subhanshu Shukla's family. Subhanshu को आपने कहा इस बड़ी यात्रा के पहले,
हाँ, आशीर्वाद दिया, दुआएं दी उसको बहुत, और वेल विशेष उसको दी कि मतलब जो है तुम्हारा मिशन बहुत अच्छी तरह पूरा होगा, तुम कुछ किसी प्रकार की चिंता तो वैसे भी नहीं करता है वो। हम लोग तो सिर्फ ये है कि अपनी भावनाएं व्यक्त करते हैं, कि उसको जो दिल की भावनाएं हैं उनको व्यक्त करते हैं, कि मतलब उसमें जैसा अंदर से भावना प्रकट होती है वैसे ही कह देते हैं। पर उसको कॉन्फिडेंस है, उसका पूरी तरह से वो कॉन्फिडेंस है। और
बचपन से कैसे थे?
बचपन से जैसे सारे नॉर्मल बच्चे होते वैसे हमारा बच्चा भी नॉर्मल था। कोई बस ये है पढ़ने में एक्स्ट्रा ब्रिलियंट था। ये शुरुआत से ही हमको लगने लगा था कि ये जो है स्कोर उसका हमेशा अच्छा आता था, और बाकी जैसे सारे बच्चे होते वैसे हमारा बच्चा भी था।
डर है कुछ?
नहीं, डर नहीं है, कोई डर कुछ नहीं है।
फीलिंग किस तरह की है?
भगवान के आगे छोड़ दिया है, कोई है सो जो राम रच रखा, इसलिए डर नहीं अब लगता है।
What kind of kid he was? Now, what the feeling you are realizing about this success?
As a kid, he was a very calm and composed child, not very destructive. Yes, but as we are having 3 and 4 years old difference, so we are always having that fun and fight relationship. But still, we do still have that relationship right now also. But still, as a person, if I say, he's always been a very calm, composed, controlled on his emotion, and he knows the best that how to behave in certain situations. Like he has superb control on himself. He know how to behave and whatever the crucial situation is there, you'll find him always composed, and that is the best quality for a person to deal with any situation.
Of course, a little bit fear of is happening inside in our body right now. It is very obvious. We are little bit frightened. He's going there, but it's okay. Now he always calls and always said to this thing, everything is normal here. Everything. Just wait, I'm coming in few days. He always say like that. Just wait, I'm coming back and I'm hugging you. यही कहता रहता always, all the times he says this. तो we are okay, गुंजन, it's okay. वो हमें काम और कंपोज करने की कोशिश करता रहता है.
This is a proud moment for not only for the Shukla family but the entire nation, and the family is feared, but obviously they are feeling proud because Subhanshu is now all set to travel to Sky to complete his dream, to create a history, and obviously to create a proud for the nation. With my colleague Vineet Verma and Viren Saini, Ranveer, NDTV 24/7.